Sales is a team sport.
100 webinars. We just can't stop.
Works love made visible. Organizations across 9 countries and 4 continents. The blended learning,
Team engagement, and
our podcast to be called Hello World. Talk about habits of excellence, hustling in this VUCA world, entrepreneurship, lessons in running and managing a business, leading people, creating that vision, communicating effectively, have that right attitude, right mindset, the right outlook, no matter what happens around us in life. Great work.
Sales is a team sport and an organizational effort that you will have to also align with some members of your organization, because it's really sales is really just the distribution and critical part of the supply chain. But you may have to talk to what can your sales admin do, your back office, no? If you have specific people focused on key accounts, no, that's not part of your team. Then cross-functional teams yung nire-recommend, usap-usap, and then brainstorm.
Hi, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB. Thank you for watching my webinar, and to watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.